adulated, granulated, that white sugar crap that I cannot pronounce. Good morning, everyone. So today I am going to make pumpkin spice latte, and we're gonna see how this goes, and I hope this turns out for the best, and yay!
Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to hear about today's sponsor, Bottomless. They're really great and you will not regret it. If you want a free bag of coffee, you need to stick till the end. Alright, so here we go. I am unwrapping the pumpkin and taking out the ooey gooey sticky stuff, all the seed and disgusting things that you don't want in your pumpkin puree. And next I'm cutting it up into C's because we want it thick with that triple C life, if you know what I mean. And I am cutting out the shell and cutting it into little bitty pieces. Now I found this at a farmer's market, and one thing I will say is that you have to find a pumpkin that is specifically for pumpkin pie, because then it will be pretty tart. You want something a little bit sweet for pumpkin pie. So now I'm gonna mix up my pumpkin, and at first I thought, you know what, it doesn't really need water, it'll mix together. Well, I was wrong. So make sure that you put half a cup of water in there and mix it up. I have a Ninja, so that is what I use, a Ninja food processor. And it doesn't have a puree option, so you just, use the blend button and it worked just fine. So now that all the pumpkin is pureed, I'm gonna grab 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, or as other people would say, 2 tablespoons. I found all the spices at H-E-B, so local grocery store here in Texas. I am grabbing now 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Grab that. And one thing I will say is I personally do not like pumpkin. What? But I'm doing this for you guys, so yeah. Then I'm grabbing some nutmeg, and that is also 1/4 teaspoon. And here's the part where I realized, oh hey, I'm supposed to strain the pumpkin puree before putting the spices. Oh well. There is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm throwing that in there. Then I'm gonna get some vanilla extract and also put 1/4 teaspoon. And then I realized, you know what? It needs a little more. I like vanilla. I'm gonna put that in there. Now we're gonna mixy, swirly, and here's the part where I realized, oh wait, this needs brown sugar. Let's see if I remember the brown sugar. Nope, just gonna keep mixy, swirly, but it's okay. Maybe one day I'll remember. Oh, there you go. Okay, oh, there it goes. Okay, so now brown sugar, gonna get 1 tablespoon, I hope. Oh, she's trying. There you go. There we go. And you know what, 2 tablespoons. And yeah, a little bit more pumpkin. We're gonna need a little bit more pumpkin. And now we do swirly, mixy. And you're gonna be here for a good while, just mixing and swirling, incorporating all the spices and stuff, making sure it's all well put together. And yep, my arm almost fell off, guys, not gonna lie. But the things I do for you guys. Some more swirly and mixy, and boom. Okay, now that I have all the spices mixed into the puree all together, I'm going to strain it out, strain all that pumpkin out. And I started with a small spoon, and then nope, I needed a spatula. This did take a good while. Usually you do use a cheesecloth, but unfortunately I did not have a cheesecloth, so I did with the best that I could possibly do and just incorporate all the good stuff all together. And yeah, mix. Okay, now it is time for the best part, our latte.
So I finished making the pumpkin spice. So this was a lot harder than I intended or thought that it was going to be. It was a lot harder, guys. I needed a better strainer, definitely. That will be my last remark. It is pretty good. I did not make it very sweet. So if you did want a sweeter version, definitely get some granulated, that white sugar crap that I cannot pronounce. Grab that stuff. Yeah, grab that stuff and put a lot of it because you will definitely taste more of the pumpkin. And yeah, I would definitely recommend going somewhere else and making the money. But I did this for you guys because I know how hype it is. I know how much people love pumpkin spice. And I definitely wanted to try it. I did it. Check mark done. I will never do it again, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, on to that. Now for today's sponsor. Yeah, excited. Okay, so today my sponsor is Bottomless. I talked about this in my previous video and I'm going to talk about them again because they're great. So here's the cute little scale. If you want a subscription coffee service that's not crazy, that's not complicated, definitely Bottomless is for you. It gives you coffee at all times. This little guy will stay here forever. If you never want to run out of coffee, this is the way to go. And they have so many options, so many vast variety of options. And hey, you want to pause it, you don't want coffee, you gave up on coffee, you want tea now, it doesn't matter. They are cool with that. They're awesome. So yeah, Bottomless is so cool and I really love them. I have a scale, my roommate has a scale, we have converted a good amount of people, so I'm trying to convert you today. Yeah, our sponsor, they're awesome. So yeah, that's them. And then also a quick shout out to who I work with, which is my roaster, Polite Coffee Company. Recently just got some Costa Rica. I did not use it for this video. I actually used this for my video because this is really expensive coffee and it tastes so good as pour over, guys. If you have a Chemex at home, please, yeah, go to Polite here in town. And yeah, that is, I think that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So stay caffeinated, stay happy, and I will see you